So in this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about blue screens of death. So as of recently, March 2021, Microsoft released their updates for the Windows 10 system. It also, I think it went for, well, it did actually go for Windows 8 and 7. And those who actually upgrade or, up to date on their Windows systems, if you tried to print, you would get something like this. So you get a blue screen of death, and it's going to say an APC mismatch. And every time you try to print, you're always going to get this blue screen of death. Now, I made a video about a thermal printer a couple weeks back, and I've been getting a couple of comments on that video that it's not working, and people probably think it's the printer, but it's not. It's actually the Microsoft update, and this is like a worldwide problem. So what ended up happening here is that Microsoft made a big mistake, and I don't know, they need to get their crap together. So they're going to be putting an update mid to late April to correct this problem for all systems. Currently, they have a couple of hot fixes out there to try to fix the problem, but it's not working for all systems, especially my system. So I'm making this video for people out there who have kept their computer up to date, did the hot fixes, and it still doesn't work for them. So what I'm going to show you here is how to manually go in there and uninstall an update or a couple of updates to fix your computer to get it back to printing again, just until maybe around May. May would be the best time to actually fully update your computer, especially when they have the hotfix for all systems. So that's the blue screen of death right there, and I'm going to be showing you guys this other screen here. So these are the updates. For my system, it was 802 and 808. So KB 5802, 808, I had to actually remove those from my system. So I uninstalled them, restarted my computer, and it was fixed. But, I'll have to keep it up to date. I'll have to do it or update it fully in May. Just I'm giving them enough time to actually get their crap together. So if you have any of these updates on your system, like even Windows 8, Windows 7 here, as you can see, you will have to uninstall these so you can get your computer back to normal printing functions. And if you have a printer out there and you're using it for receipts or shipping labels like how I do, and it's impacting your business, this is actually pretty good information here, just to get you going, back to business again. So these are the updates here. You can come back and look at these, pause the video and check these out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick how to manually uninstall it. I'm going to go to the desktop, or my desktop here. So you can do this by going to the start menu, as you can see there, and then you type in Windows, and you should see a Windows update setting, or you can type in Windows update setting. What you want to do is you want to click on that, and this screen will pop up here. So what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says View Update History. You click on that, and another page that pops up here, and as you can see, there's dates on here when you last installed your updates. So you want to go to this Microsoft Windows part here. The top part, you just ignore that. So you want to come down to your security or feature updates, and you want to look for those numbers that were on that previous screen, and you will have to right click and hit uninstall. It'll ask you if you want to uninstall. I'm going to click no because I already did it. But once you uninstall, you go through the rest of that process. It'll ask you if you want to restart your computer, and you do want to restart it. So after that, and after it reloads and you log back in, your printing functions should return back to normal. Make sure that you remove those updates that are on that list. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to that list again, just so you guys can check it out. Let me turn this off. There it is. So remember, these are the ones that you want to take off, especially for your systems. So if you have any of these numbers, just uninstall them manually, restart your computer, and you should get all your functions back. This should help everybody out there, to go back to how their system was just until Microsoft gets their crap together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think I'll just go ahead and leave it there for you guys. I hope this video helps some people out there. But anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.